Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden ke VPP uba adan melabasai mot ulapun pau ke jings ngokmen bagi Paidbah ke rikasi jantia kila ai ke jingshanya ya keseng ling bagi nongrem jong keseng kumta ulakular ba keseng kan wanra ya kata sensyal kadar ke bakhot bat ke babha nang ni syakmat hak bede ba ke jingong menteri rang ba ke jela ba ke vote share jong ke VPP ke Hiar hak ni ke election MDC banyan ujor bat ke election MP uba adan ulaong bah khase hills ke vote share jong ke VPP ke long life new percent kat ba ke NPP percent kat bah Giant Hills ke NPP ke tam tang 10% ya ke VPP dak ba yo life percent kat bah ke VPP ke yo life percent ke vote share kumta ha ba khenlang na baro artli ke district council ke VPP ke dang yo ke vote share ke ba kham he ha ke election halor ke jing yo duna ke vote share ha GHADC uba adan ulaong ba ke digadaw ba ki Paidbah ke Giant Hills kim yo Laitluid ban Thep vote Namar klemdon kinu kilat jingada ke Biang wat ban bu tang uwe upulit ro ban Pahara.
As a party, we are very happy to see that the people in Khasi Jaintia region have proposed a faith on us. Use ideology and philosophy as a party, and that way we need to bring in the kind of a clean politics, good governance, and this is what I would like to tell.
NPP Supremo and Chief Minister Pandit Sangma has maintained that the vote share of NPP has gone up and BPP in fact which has not performed as well in MP election because MP election all the 29 constituencies the BPP got good vote share but this time 17.
I think it would be better if you check and cross-check the data, no? The data speaks clear that we are still very much ahead. We have the highest number of vote share in Khasi region, where our vote share is 37% and NPP is 25%. That means we are 12% ahead of NPP. And in Giant Hills, NPP is having the highest vote share with just 1% more than us. They are having 32 and we are having 31 vote share. So comparing the vote share of the regional party, BPP has secured the highest vote share even in this election. And as you know, we could not perform well in Giant Hills because of the reasons that I have explained. Had it been that the Giant people, the people living in Giant Hills get the same opportunity like the people in Khasi Hills, we would have even captured the EC and Giant Hills.
But compared to MP election, has the vote share gone up or down?
That is the reason, the people could not, because this is a local election. So there's a local factor also, and besides the local factor, there's a threats, intimidation to the people, where the election is not being conducted like the MP and MLA election. MP and MLA election was conducted by the Election Commission of India. So you understand the measures that the state machinery has to take. Whereas in this election, it is the state government that conducts the election. So despite the fact that we have registered those highly sensitive polling stations, but no action has been taken by the district administration, not even a single police personnel was posted in those polling stations. That is the reason we could not secured, or maybe the reason that our vote share has gone down in this district council election.
So this is a new house. Can you tell us reforms?
The first major step that we have taken as a party is that to have a small size of EC to curtail the expenditure, as we don't believe and we want to prevent the unnecessary expenditure, wasteful expenditure. So we have just practiced what we preach, and there are a lot more to come.
So, Arjun, I think after downsizing the EC, do we expect the VPP to not appoint chairman to the district council because chairman post is equivalent to the rank of executive member?
So as we have said, only 8 members to the EC and 2 to the legislative. So there will be no appointment for any chairman in the district council. That is clear.
Well, are you preparing now?
But how will the new EC ensure smooth functioning without appointment of these chairmen? Because we know that they are also playing different roles.
You see, that can be taken care by the officers and the EC only. So it is not a big problem because that has been a normal practice to accommodate all the MDCs supporting the EC. We don't need that kind of. That is not the situation that we are facing now because we've got the majority and our MDCs they are ready to stay without any assignment but to support the EC.
Will the new